Welcome to the Dankamous channel. Today we got the Porsche set minus the chase, some other Hot Wheels. Alright, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let's get into it. Alright, so we got the Porsche set. Number one is the Porsche 356 speeder. We got number two, which is the 971 Porsche 911. And we got number three, the 1989 Porsche 944 Turbo. And then we got number four of the set, the Porsche 935. And number five out of the set, which is the Porsche 718 Cayman GT4. And then we're missing number six, the chase, Porsche 914-6 in the green. And then we got some Hot Wheels, regular Hot Wheels to check out. We got the new recolor of the Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7 in the yellow. Sweet. Then we got the 72 Stingray convertible in the white. Digging the white. The 85 Honda City Turbo 2. We have the custom 70 Honda N600 in the white. And then we got the Loopsters. Why two? I'll let you know. Alright, let's crack these open, take a closer look. Alright, let's start with the Loopsters. Why two Loopsters? Variation. We got one hands up, one hands down. Let's crack them both open, take a look. So we got the hands down. Pretty cool. There's the base. And then we got hands up. And here's the base. Same base. And then what's cool about these is you can connect them. Alright. And then let's crack open the 72 Stingray convertible in the white. Crack it open. In the white, digging at the white with the chrome interior, the blue glass, and Stingray on the plate, Kentucky plate, and here's the base. And then what's cool about this, if you see on the bottom, you get the flashlight. It lights up the headlights. So that's pretty cool. Alright, next up, we got the custom 70 Honda N600 in the white. Cool compact Honda. Compact Kings. Out of the Compact Kings. Let's take a closer look. Got the black interior. Good front tempos. Got the back. On down the plate. Here's the base. Pretty cool. Scuffs on the hood. Pretty cool. And then next up we got another small Honda, the 85 Honda City Turbo 2. Hot Wheels Turbo. Let's take a look at this one. Turbo 2 on the side. It's got the right-hand drive. Pretty cool. Here's the base. Pretty cool. Alright, and then we got the recolor of the Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7 in the yellow. I'm digging the yellow. And we have the orange, we have the white. I think it looks good in the yellow though. I think it does. And here's the base. Pretty cool. Dig the yellow. Alright, now let's crack into the Porsche set. So let's go down the list with number 1, and then so number 1. What do we got for number 1? The Porsche 356 Speeder. That's pretty cool. Digging it. Metal body, metal base, plastic wheels. Really nice wheels in this set. Digging it. Alright, let's crack it open. And there we got it. The wheels are cool. Speedster on the side. Speedster on the plate. Got some rear tampos. Metal base. Here's the base. Digging the metal base. Red interior. Pretty sweet. Dig it. Dig it. Nice and low. Dig it. And then, what do we got? Number 2 out of the set. A 1971 Porsche 911. And this, like, orange. Pretty sweet. Let's crack it open and take a closer look. And then we got metal body, metal base. The tail lights incorporated with the windscreen. Hot Wheels 71, 911. Dig it. Black interior. Here's the base. Dig it. Color's cool on this one. It's like the weight. It's got good weight to it. And then number 3 out of the set is the 1989 Porsche 944 Turbo in the black. This one looks good. Let's get a closer look. Let's crack it open. And there we go, we got it. This one has plastic base, metal body. Digging the wheels though. Really like the wheels. Got some rear tampos. Digging it. Wish this one had a metal base too. But still cool, these wheels are dope. Really digging the wheels. And number 4 out of the set is the Porsche 935 in the blue. Same wheels as the last one. Again, metal, plastic body, metal base, plastic wheels. Digging the wheels though. KW suspension, Michelin, 24 meatball. It's got the cool Porsche banner on the windshield. It's cool. Here's the base. It's dope for sure. Digging it. Alright, and then last out of the set that I got anyways, because I didn't get number 6, is the Porsche 718 Cayman GT4 in the red. This one was hard to find. For me anyways. And it does have metal base, metal body. In the red, looks good in the red. GT4. It's got integrated headlights with the windscreen. This thing is bad. Woo! Look at the base. Digging it. 718 Cayman GT4. Bilstein. I'm digging it. I think this is my favorite out of the set. Metal body, metal base. Wish this one had the metal base. This one's also cool too. Alright, so what's your favorite out of the set? Out of the set, it's gonna be the Cayman GT4. Out of the Hot Wheels, taking the Porsche. Really like the wheels on this one though. Alright, thank you for watching. Let me know what your favorite out of the lot was, out of the set is. And thank you for watching. Comment and like and subscribe. Peace.